The Great Pyramid of Giza, a monument to a lost age, standing sentinel over the desert sands for millennia. The last surviving wonder of the ancient world, its massive weathered stones whisper tales of pharaohs and ancient gods. But the true mysteries lie within, hidden in the heart of this colossal structure. What secrets do these darkened chambers hold? What will we discover as we venture inside? The pyramid's presence is imposing. Its sheer scale dwarfs everything around it. A sense of anticipation, of mystery hangs heavy in the air as we approach. We are about to step back in time to walk the same paths as the pharaohs themselves. The entrance is surprisingly small, a dark gash in the pyramid's side. It seems impossible at first glance that this could be the only way into such a massive structure. But as we draw closer, the opening seems to grow, pulling us in like a whisper on the wind. The passage inside is narrow and low, forcing us to stoop. The air is thick with the dust of ages, carrying the weight of history. Each step forward is a step further into the pyramid's embrace. The sunlight fades behind us as we descend deeper into the earth. The passage opens into a breathtaking space, the Grand Gallery. Towering walls soar upwards, their massive stone blocks perfectly fitted together. The gallery seems to hum with a strange energy, a palpable sense of the ancient power it holds. What was the purpose of this incredible feat of engineering? Theories abound. Was it a symbolic passage to the afterlife, a ramp for moving massive stones during construction? Or could it be something else entirely, its true purpose lost to time? The answer, like so many things within the pyramid, remains elusive. Section 4. Secrets of the King's Chamber. At the end of the Grand Gallery lies the King's Chamber, the heart of the pyramid. The chamber is surprisingly plain, dominated by a large, empty granite sarcophagus. But the air here feels different, charged with an unseen power. It's easy to imagine the pharaoh's presence, his spirit lingering within these ancient stones. Some believe the pyramid houses hidden chambers yet to be discovered. Could there be a secret room containing the true burial chamber of the pharaoh? Or perhaps a lost library of ancient knowledge? The possibility, however remote, is tantalizing. Section 5. A return to light. Leaving the pyramid is like stepping back into the present. The desert sunlight is almost blinding after the darkness within. We emerge blinking, disoriented, our senses overwhelmed by the experience. The pyramid looms behind us, its secrets once more hidden from view. The experience stays with you though, the feeling of ancient power, the weight of history, the tantalizing possibility of undiscovered secrets. The Great Pyramid is more than just a tomb, it's a riddle, a challenge to our understanding of the past. Section 6. An enduring enigma. The Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of a lost civilization. Its mysteries continue to fascinate and intrigue us, challenging us to unravel its secrets. Was it a tomb, a temple, an astronomical observatory, or something else entirely? Perhaps we will never know for sure, but that, in a way, is part of its allure. The Great Pyramid remains an enigma, a symbol of the enduring power of mystery. And as we stand before it, we can't help but wonder what other secrets lie hidden within its depths, waiting to be discovered.